Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm very proud to present this 2019 Azimut 66 Fly. We start on the swim platform of this one. Of course, it being an Azimut, it's going to have lots of high-end finishes. We have the nice teak finish on here, submersible swim platform. Typical of all the Azimut flies in this class, the Stefano Regini exterior really is second to none. Great design and finishes, things like the solid surface countertop here in the cockpit, wide entrance steps to the bridge, and entertainment space as well. So now that we're in the main salon, you're going to see all the normal high-end finishes that you've come to expect. Nice sofa, L-shaped seating, opposed to the other side with the television that does slide up and down. Another nice touch that you are going to find on the Azimuts of this class is it's going to come fully furnished with things like cups for water, espresso, plates. Again, really everything you need to have somebody on board and really entertain and use the boat is your place to be. So moving from the main salon towards the galley, you can see we have a nice dinette on the starboard side, easy to have room for 6, seated comfortably with really that great view. So inside the galley, stainless steel refrigerator with some freezer drawers, lots of counter space, storage all throughout, 4-burner Millet stove as well as microwave. One thing I want to point out before we get to the helm is the bar seating area. Again, you got the high top that goes back towards the galley, but you do have the 2 seats here also. Incorporated into that, if you're going to have any type of bar, you're going to have that wine fridge, and we do have that tucked away again right where you need it. As we move towards the helm, dual helm seats, flip up bolsters. They also have the flip down footrest. Really, it can make you comfortable no matter your size or height. Very, very easy for you to see and really get the commanding view. From the lower helm, you're going to have control of everything. Full Raymarine electronics package, bow and stern thruster, autopilot, trim tabs, again, really everything that you need. The nice thing on the new Raymarine screens is really you can run the boat that you need from here. Adjust air conditionings, flip on lights, really everything that you need to do. Coming down through the main atrium, nice wide steps with a sturdy handrail to grab on your way down. Master stateroom of this 66 Fly is an absolutely great place to be. Full island walk around, queen size bed, very, very simple, easy to get in and out of and to make up. This direction, you get nice light from either side. So with the updated master stateroom layout of the 66 Fly, you're going to find a great head setup also. You walk into a nice sink, vacuum flush head opposite the full walk-in shower stall. So the VIP stateroom in this boat is no exception to the great layout that Azimut is known for. You're going to see lots of light on either side, opening port lights. Again, very thought out, a place to put your stuff at the end of the day. You get a built-in television with a Bose sound bar and lots of storage. You're going to have a hanging locker and cabinetry all throughout the boat. So the head for the VIP stateroom does give you, again, a nice sink, vacuum flush head, and a full-on separate shower stall. So this third stateroom, again, lots of space, separate bunks, lots of light, and an opening port light for some fresh air. You're going to have your television built in as well as your Bose soundbar, hanging storage locker. So the fourth stateroom is a true bunkhouse. Great spot for kids, works for a pinch with adults. Still has a hanging storage locker, so for those weekend guests, they're going to have room for their things. So being a 66-foot boat, this is a true 4 stateroom, 3-head boat, not including the crew quarters. This is the third head, which is going to serve it as a day head, but also for the bunkhouse that's on both port and starboard side. The bridge on this 66 is certainly an impressive place to be. Really one of the biggest for a yacht in this class. You're going to find a full entertaining space with a grill top, pressurized hot and cold water. You can have an ice maker behind this door and a refrigerator here. Again, really no reason to go down below. You can do all your entertaining from the great views you're going to get from the bridge. You're going to see 2 nice helm seats, flip up bolsters, full Raymarine electronics again, control of the bow and stern thrusters, as well as the motors. I didn't mention before, but it's a nice feature. There is joystick docking on this. So again, gives you that confidence on the day that it's a little windier than you would like to be out. Really makes you feel like you're comfortable docking the boat. So one of the highlights of this 66 is the bow. Absolutely enormous sun pad, has some cup holders built into it. But in addition to that, you get this nice seating. Has the table built in. It does flip fore and aft because you also have a bimini top that will slide up from underneath it. Again, this is Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. I'm on the 2019 Azimut 66 Fly. It has the brand new interior layout. Give us a phone call. We'd love to get you on the water. Stop in, take it for a demo ride.